In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list an item for sale on Facebook Marketplace using a straightforward step-by-step approach. Whether you're decluttering or just looking to make some extra cash, selling your items on Facebook is a simple task that can reach a wide audience. Let's dive into the process and ensure your item gets listed quickly and easily. To begin, open up your web browser and head over to Facebook Marketplace. You can easily find this by doing a quick Google search for Facebook Marketplace, which will direct you to the page you're looking for. Once you're there, you'll notice a menu on the left side of your screen. Look for an option labeled Create New Listing. Clicking this will prompt you to log in with your Facebook account credentials. It's quick and secure and ensures that your marketplace activity is tied to your profile. After logging in, you'll see a prompt once again on the left side of the screen directing you to create a new listing. Click it, and this will take you to a category selection page. Here it's essential to choose the most relevant category for the item you're listing. There are several options such as items for sale, vehicles for sale, housing, and more. Choose wisely as this helps in reaching the right audience. Once you've chosen your category, you will see a form where you can add all the details about your item. This should include a catchy title, a descriptive summary, price, and importantly, high-quality photos that showcase your item well. Photos are often a deciding factor for buyers, so make sure they're clear and highlight any key features. Filling this information accurately is crucial as it gives potential buyers a good understanding of what you're offering. After entering the item's details, on the left side of the screen, you'll see a Next button. Go ahead and click it. This will give you a chance to review all of the entered information, ensuring there are no errors or missing details. It's always good to double check at this stage to avoid any potential confusion or questions from interested buyers. Finally, once you're satisfied that everything looks perfect, click the Publish button. This action will list your item on Facebook Marketplace, making it visible to all potential buyers. It's that simple. You'll be notified of any inquiries through your Facebook notifications, allowing you to respond promptly to interested parties. And that's it. Your item is now live on Facebook Marketplace, ready to catch the eye of potential buyers. Remember, a well-detailed, visually appealing listing can go a long way in attracting interest. Happy selling, and may your items find new homes quickly.